Welcome everybody and welcome you to my channel. I go by the name of Dyhair Fashionable. And in this video today, I will be creating this sleek invisible ponytail on my natural hair. So without any further ado, let us jump right into it. And today's video was sponsored by Dyhair777. I'm wondering why Dyhair are going so with their bag. It is freaking cute. I love it. So what I got in the bag is a love hair clip, 2 bundles of Brazilian virgin hair, with the grams for each bundles is between 95 to 100 grams. So you're getting a decent weight, you know. And bear in mind when you're buying bundles that the longer the hair is, the shorter the weft is going to be. This is a 24-inch and the grade is 9A. And also in the package, I received these bodies, you know, the main act for the day for me. This is a HD baby hair edge strips and I'm super duper excited about trying them because my edges love to act out, but not today, darling. Gonna fake the out of these edges, alright? So I'm putting down my hair to get it together, you feel me? And I'm telling you, my hair is proper dirty. Yes, but nevertheless, you know, I'm gonna make it work. And these are the products I'm gonna be using. Now, I'll be using water to detangle my hair, heat protector to protect my hair from the heat, and some ear lotion, a small amount. And you don't know, blow dryer is a must, so I'm using it to stretch out my hair, and I'll be doing it in small sections.
Too many options to stress you. You think say you be my controller. You say I'll be nothing without you. Slow down, now you way to make me to run wild. Slow it sometime, no lie, plenty women make me to run wild.
So now that I'm done blow drying my entire hair, I'll be using the serum oil for that extra protection because I need it. But I'm not gonna go overboard with it, keeping it settled. Distribute it on the root to the ends, you feel me? And based on the fact that my hair is dirty, I won't be pressing out my hair. No, I'm doing a quick and fast ponytail right here. Catching my ear into one. I'm using my natural hair because I'm not going for a long ponytail. So if you're going for a long ponytail, you just add the braid to it and plait it out to the distance you want it. So I'm using the Epi hair spray around the perimeter of my hair and the tail comb to keep my hair in place, followed by the blow dryer and my hands to give it that semi-press. And to get my hair flatter and seal in the hairspray, I will be using the one, and this is very effective. Cutting off the excess lace that is not needed, and I will be placing it to see what I'm working with because I need to get it in line with my hairline shape. And it worked just the same way like how you install the wig, but more easier, you feel me? And it's about time to place them down, and who ready? Me, of course. And I bring it down a bit because my hairline, oh it stay, I have some little baby hair that will peek through the lace, so all of that I could get solved today. I hope I'm not being unruly right now, but I asked for 4 pairs and they sent me 2. So I have to come up with my own, you feel me? Like I need the lower part to be swooping too. Yes, it's only right. So now I have 4 pieces and this would allow the hair to blend in even more better with a ponytail than my natural hair. So yeah. and definitely tie it down to get a proper melt. Now it's time to put in the bundles using an elastic band to secure the end. And I will be wrapping the bundles in circular motion going up, and I will be doing it tightly because I don't want it to unravel. And for this part, you can use ear glue or ear thread, but I won't be doing that, you feel me? Like I said, I'm going for a quick and fast thing. And to seal each end, take out a piece of the hair and wrap it around. And don't wrap everything, like leave it to a certain extent so I can come back and pull it when I'm ready to pull it down.
Nobody wins cause you won't call me anyway.
So I was planning on using 1.5 bundles, but when I look on it, I'll be like, no sir, this look too thin, so I end up just dropping the rest of the bundle. So after all of that now, I will be taking some hair from underneath to cover the weft. And some hairspray to lock the band. And after all of that, I did not use any bobbing pins, you feel me? Because that thing will hurt you after a period of time, like a couple days in, so none of that on it. And we are done. Yes, this is how you get yourself fake edges without frontal or closure. What I love about these bodies baby hair is that it is reusable, and you're getting HD lace, and it's suitable for any ear type. Like you can use it for ponytails, braid, headband wigs, even a closure. You can attach it down to the bottom part. That is perfect. And the bundles are going too, but I was more excited about the baby hair. I'm sorry, but yeah. Anyway guys, if you are interested in the bundles or the body baby hair, I will link all the information down below. It will be a direct link. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. Anyway, later, and I will catch you on the next one. Yeah.